everybody, Dr. Jonathan Fabian here with Health Source of Riverton, and I'm back this week. Wanted to give you a tip of the week here. So we're going to talk about yard work and how to do that safely. So there's a few things to bear in mind. First of all, we have to remember that when we're out working in our yards, we're doing a lot of bending, twisting, lifting, carrying sometimes heavy weights, and so we need to really consider this to be a form of exercise, and much like golfing or football or any of those things can injure you, so can your yard work. So we need to be smart about it. Some things you can do to help protect yourself while you're out there in the yard. First and foremost, I'd say make sure that you're wearing good shoes. Good arch support is super important. If you're not able to get the right arch support, we actually have some products here at Health Source that can help you improve your shoes quality in terms of arch support. In addition to that, really being smart with ergonomics. So when we need to lift something, rather than bending forward at the waist, we want to see you take those knees and bend down and really get a hold of something this way. That's a much better way to lift things. If we're raking, we can use a scissored stance and maybe do this way for a while and then switch it up. Put the other foot forward and do the other way. It might not be quite as natural, but you'll even out the load on your muscles and decrease the likelihood that you're going to have issues. Also, if you're using, heavy equipment of any kind, if it has a strap that you can wear it. So the strap should go over and onto the shoulder opposite the side that you're operating it on. And even though, again, it may not be as natural, take the time and switch them up. Other things we need to consider is it's summertime. It's going to be getting hot. Right now we're doing okay, but making sure you hydrate before you get out there and trying to finish up your work either early in the morning or in the evenings after it cools off can be really helpful to prevent heat stroke. Make sure you're wearing the right protective equipment. Eye glasses, protective eyeglasses, hearing protection. If you've got bad allergies, wear a mask. Think about these sorts of things. And then I just want to show you 4 quick stretches that you can do to also help warm up before you get out there. So the first one is just a simple hamstring stretch. So you can just kind of go straight forward this way. Be cautious of the low back. You want to just let yourself hang. If you need to bend the knees slightly, that's okay. The idea should be to feel a pull in the back of the leg there. The next one, put your hand out against a wall or something stable. You're going to bend the leg up and pull those quadriceps up into a nice stretch, bending the toes up toward the head. Up overhead, so you can weave your hands together, push them up overhead, and do side to side stretching this way. And the last one is more for twisting, so give your favorite person a big hug, that should be you, and do a nice slow rotation both directions. So those are some good tips to help keep you safe out there in the yard this summer. Thanks you guys for tuning in. If you do end up tweaking your back, please give us a call. We'll be happy to check you out and get you fixed up. Have a great week.